Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to install Grammarly app in Huawei phone. So from here guys, it will be just the same process on whatever Huawei phone that you have. So first one is just simply go to the Google Play Store onto your device. And now just simply tap search at the bottom. And now go for the search bar at the top and search for Grammarly over here and just simply select the Grammarly. And guys, make sure to select this one, Grammarly AI Writing. And now just simply select install. And after that, you should be able to install the Grammarly app into your phone. And once it is done, you could just simply go ahead and open it up and just simply sign in into your account in order for you to access the Grammarly features and tap on get started and tap on agree and tap on open settings and make sure to allow the Grammarly into your device and tap on open settings and tap on agree again. And after that, just simply go for installed services and turn on the Grammarly application and tap on allow. And you should be able to sign in into your account. There you go. See ya.